The Dutch is fast. It's about scary way or very high-speed way. The exhibition talk about agriculture. China is a huge agriculture country, and that's why I focus on this project. I show how AI technology growing so fast, almost beyond the human. This is scary for most of the people. My parents both sculptor. They all make statues of Chinese leader, hero, historical figure. They all born in 1930. They are the kids of farmers. The village of the land have memory a relay war, and sometimes painful. From the beginning, I don't see I will become an artist. But when I start to create, it gives me a lot of freedom to express myself. Many of the Western culture came to China after 1980 and 1990. It affected me a lot. All the time is exciting. But you still feel different complex feeling about the changing. Because some old stuff is gone, the landscape is changing so fast, and then pushing your memory disappear. That's why I can't use like my parents' medium, because it's very complex changing. So I have to use this film or video, some surreal style, to create my art in this way. To document what happened in the country. The exhibition have a lot of research. We have a lot of archives to show Chinese propaganda. China now is focused on AI, robotic, many of the new technology. In the old time, you need a cow to farm. You feed them and you stay with them, and it's like a family. But now we have a machine, so the human need to be friendly with the machine. You need to pray. They believe they have soul. They want to, through the ritual, make them like a human. Otherwise, probably the machine will have problem. So they believe that kind of ritual can make the machine give them harvest. So in this moment, what we can do with this? The exhibition, Dutch also want to remind people we have to respect the nature and respect the traditional ritual. How we can balance these two sides. I want to tell the truth, but my conclusion is not just black and white. Many of my project is private emotion, but also relate the big topic. To tell the true story in artist's way.